Well, update on the 68 Camaro, big block convertible. It's gonna be a while. Simple as that. The motor was taken apart and it does have water damage. The hood on the 68 Camaro with the egg crate chrome louvers on top leaked. It went into the carburetor. The carburetor is seized. It went down into the manifold, into the heads. I believe that the heads are toast. There are 2 cylinders that will need to be cleaned up in the block. They're significantly rusty. So it's definitely going to have to be bored out. Other than that, she is apart pretty much. I'm dismantling all the savable items off of it before we get into metal work. All the stainless, glass, anything that could be reused, console, see if there's any good parts left of the seats. All the brackets and motor parts were disassembled, and I'll just give you a little tour of that right now. Okay, so here are the exhaust manifolds. What's left of the pollution control in there, the smog. Bin the parts. Here's the carburetor. It's completely destroyed, which sucks because it's going to cost me $500 to replace. There's the heads. I actually screwed up my back a little bit pulling these off. You know you're getting old when shit like that happens. Here's where water was laying inside here in the port. Oh no, that's exhaust. There it was. Water was laying in there. You can see it's gone. This side of the engine looks good. There's nothing horrible here. I oiled it all down, penetrating oil. And these 2 cylinders are good. It's this one. And this one that's gonna need some work. So once I get those free up some lifters, we'll take it to the machine shop and see what they say. We're gonna pull out stuff with the front end, but I'm not getting dirty today. There's a significant amount of damage in a firewall. That's going to get replaced. Not too horrible underneath. Rockers are good. And like I said, it'll probably be a little bit before I post. I'm a little disappointed in the condition of the engine. Even the top of the manifold, I had to weld nuts onto the old hardware because they were so rusty that you couldn't get any tools on them. I'll insert that video on this, and that'll be the wrap-up part. Anyway, thanks for tuning in. Project 68. Long way coming. We'll be getting it there sooner or later. So I'm welding nuts on manifold hardware that's rusted off to the point you can't get any tools on it. This is one I just did there. There's this one here. I'm getting ready to do this last one. I'll stick that up. Of course, I don't want to stay because I'm holding the camera. Got to put something under it so it don't slide off. Like that, and then I'll weld it up and I'll get that junky manifold bolt out. Wait for that to cool down and see if it holds.